Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because today we are going to do proof of quadratic formula. Usually students use this formula to solve the quadratic equation. That means finding the value of x. But very less students are there who ask for their proof. Whereas every student should know it, how to prove it. So that is why we are making this video. Please have a look very carefully. This is quadratic formula x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This b square minus 4ac is specially known as discriminant as well, denoted by capital D. Anyways, let us see how we are going to prove it. See, given equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What we are going to do, we are going to prove it using completing square method. Completing square method means two types of squares we can make here. I am going to make a plus b whole square. We know that this is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is going to be helpful for us. But for applying completing square method, firstly, coefficient of x square should be 1, whereas I am having this coefficient as a. So what I should do, I should divide both sides by a. I should divide by a in order to make the coefficient of x square as 1. What will happen now? This will become only x square. We will get b upon a and c upon a. 0 upon a will remain 0 only. It will remain same, right? This is a simple question. Now this term containing x will always form 2ab. Do remember it. So easily what I will say, in the next step what we should do, just this middle term b upon ax multiply and divide it by 2 upon 2. Just 2 upon 2 I am going to write along with this, because it is easy to understand that 2 and 2 is cancelled. We are left with same value bx upon a. That means no change has happened till now. And this c upon a, if I shift to the right side, it will become minus c upon a, right? Okay. Now, as I told you, this is going to be 2ab form. I need to rewrite it again. How would I write it? This upper value 2 I am writing like this. Then I am writing x. This 2 and a I am multiplying and I am making it b upon 2a. See, this is just, I have shown you that this has become 2ab now. If this is 2ab, so this is b, and in whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. B square is missing here. What I need to do, adding this b upon 2a whole square on both sides. Okay, we need to write it on both sides. What will happen? We will get this value a square plus 2, then a, then b. I'll get plus b square means this second term square, and in the right side we have minus c upon a plus b upon 2a whole square. Please check it carefully, and I'm moving aside. You can take its screenshot as well, because I will have to erase some steps here. Finally, we have reached here. Okay, let's move ahead. I'm cleaning the board, and make sure you are watching it step by step. It's going to be very much helpful to all. Now the left side, this is a plus b whole square now, because a square plus 2ab plus b square is already there. What we can write? we can write it as a plus b whole square equal to, we are having minus c upon a, then plus b square upon 4a square. This is what we are having. Let me keep left side as of now as it is. I'm not going to make any change here. But yes, in the right side, we can simplify it by making the denominator same. What I can do, this is 4a square. How can I make this 4a square? I will have to multiply by 4a. So it will become minus 4ac. Making denominator same makes the question very easy. I multiplied this minus c with 4a and denominator also with 4a. So my denominator is same. And in short, what I can write this 4a square together. And now if you analyze, this is just taking LCM concept. I covered it with basic, but usually what people do, LCM of a and 4a square is 4a square. But many of you might not be able to understand. That's why I covered with the basic, that making denominator same. Now what will happen? This is square, right? So next step is taking square root on both sides. On both sides we are going to take square root. Then what will happen? Left side will remain x plus b upon 2a. Whereas in the right side we will get plus minus square root of minus 4ac plus b square, this is square, to be divided by 4a square. Please check it very carefully. Few of you might be having question why plus minus. See, in the basic question, when x square is 4, we usually write x is equal to plus minus of root 4. So same concept is applied. Square root of 4 is 2 further. Chaliye ji, let's move ahead. Now what we will do, plus b upon 2a, and here I'm separating out minus 4ac plus b square means b square minus 4ac, one is the same thing. But in the denominator, square root of 4 is 2, square root of a square is only a. So I'm getting 2a, and square root is removed from the denominator. Then in the next step, move this b upon 2a to the right side. It will become minus b upon 2a. Then everything else remains same. Square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now did you analyze that denominator is same, 2a and 2a? When denominator is same, then in the next step we just need to write them together. And I'm writing in the same step because of less space available. This is plus minus together, and this just 2a I have combined, and this is what quadratic formula we get. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. I hope this video was helpful for all, and those who were not aware about the proof of this formula, please specifically mention in the comment box whether this video was helpful or not, and your name also. Thank you so much for watching this video.